Hear that? I already have sand in my shoes. Already. Kenzie and I went on another adventure. This one was a little closer to home. On a friend's recommendation, we checked out 2 different spots in the Irving Nature Park, which is located in St. John, New Brunswick. We started with lunch on the beach. The weather was drastically different than we expected. The forecast said windy and 20, but it was hot. This is now the second time I've taken this poor kid to the beach without a swimsuit. I also don't recommend getting your jeans wet before a hike. But regardless, even though we had a completely inappropriate wardrobe, we had a ton of fun. After the beach, we went for a hike on the Squirrel Loop. While the parking lot looked kind of busy, we only ran into one other couple while we were on that path. The park is open during daylight hours. Dogs are allowed as long as they are on leash. Fires aren't allowed, but we came across some really nice covered barbecue picnic areas. There were bathrooms at the parking lot and further up when we got to the barbecue areas as well. The paths were really nicely maintained and the views were just awesome. Gen Alpha doesn't know how to hold a phone. There's a deer just running right through there. Where did he go? He was right there. He was right in the parking lot. I didn't get it on camera, but as we came down the path, this deer came right across the parking lot within touching distance of a couple people walking. The wildlife is not afraid of people here. Not at all. Walk down a little bit. He's obviously not scared of people. She, I guess. No antlers. We both had a really good time on this trip, and we're going to be coming back for sure. There's so much more to explore here, and I'm really looking forward to our next outing.